I'm Ashril and Sienna's mom. My husband and I have truly been blessed to send our children to Little VIP's Montessori. From the first time I met Zanita, I knew that I someday wanted to send my kids here. And Ashril has completed her 3 years here and Sienna is on her first year. And from the moment we walk in through those doors, we are just greeted with a huge smile, and our children are showered with so much of love that it's wonderful to know that they are in such an amazing environment. I just want to, it's been wonderful to see Ashril develop in her reading and her writing skills, and not just in those, in like her studies, but I love the fact that Zanita has added social graces and also just made the child so independent with things like practical life, like mopping the floor and teaching them to put away their stuff. These are things that we as parents have also inculcated in our home, and it's really nice to see Zanita just doing that here too. And from concerts to sports meets to special functions and fun days, it's all been organized. I mean, I've been here with Zanita for 3 years, and everything is done with so much of professionalism that I just look back and I'm amazed at how she and her wonderful team of teachers just do it. And today, Zanita, my husband and I would love to take this opportunity to thank you and Minusha and Ashika, Nilushika, and all the wonderful teachers who have just showered Ashril and Sienna with so much of love and care, and just been, I mean, your dedication and hard work. This is like the best decision that I've made, and I've never regretted it. Little VIPs is amazing Montessori. May you be blessed in your future endeavors, and thanks a lot.
God, this is my daughter Taranya. She has been with the Little VIPs Montessori for a little over 3 years, and I'm very pleased at the way she has turned out. She has grown in leaps and bounds from the time she joined, from 2 years on to 5 years now. And what pleases me most is the experience that she has got here. It has developed her as a whole, not just by learning her ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, but also the way she has developed her confidence and how she has been taught the importance of listening, respecting others, being helpful, and being accountable for what she does. So I think these are things that she will carry with her throughout her life. So I'm very, very happy with the foundation that she has got. And one more thing that I need to mention is the personal touch in everything that they do here in the school. For example, Auntie Zanita, very often she tells us, drawing from her personal experiences, how we can do our job better as a parent, as a mother. And not only her, even the other teachers, Auntie Minusha, Auntie Tushari, Auntie Ashika, and Auntie Najia, they have all showered the kids with love, attention, caring, and that's something that is immeasurable. So I'm very pleased with the way the school and the teachers have helped my daughter to come to this stage, and I'm very happy to see her leaving the school as she is today.
I'm Aaron's mother here. I enrolled Aaron at Little VIPs when he was 2.5 years old. The first day of his school was very dramatic. He was so excited, pulling all the things around the class and running all everywhere. I was very embarrassed, and I was very worried also how he's going to be in school and how he's going to be take into the school environment into him. But I should say the aunties of the school tackled him very nicely with lot of care, with lot of commitment, love. And today I'm a very proud mother to see how he has really changed. He's very disciplined, and he is very responsible, and he is doing his work alone. And I would rather appreciate the values, the cultural values given by this school, especially the celebrations of the Independence Day, the Aurudu, Vesak. Today I want to thank all the aunties for the commitment and the love that given for Aaron to lay his foundation. I want to thank Auntie Zanita, Auntie Manusha, Auntie Tilini, the Aaron's class teacher, and Auntie Ashika and Auntie Tushani and all the other aunties, and Auntie Melissa, that is Aaron's first class teacher, for giving this wonderful background and laid for Aaron.
Hello everyone, I'm Janami's father. Janami has been here with Little VIP Montessori for last 3 years. So we are very happy putting Janami in Little VIP Montessori. She has learned a lot, not only fundamental education, but also a lot of cultural and religious and social values. So we must thank Auntie Senita and all other aunties for their effort to develop these children and putting a good solid foundation for their future. Thank you.
We are pleased with VIP Montessori's contribution towards Romeli's formation years, helping bring out her inner talents and giving her sufficient confidence to face the future. We wish to thank Auntie Zenita and all the other aunties for their contribution and for providing her with a safe and secure environment.
Little VIP Montessori කියන්නේ මේ ඇත්තටම පුංචි දූ දරුවන්ට හපන්කම් පෙන්වන්න තියෙන හොඳම තෝතැන්නක් විදිහට තමයි මම නම් දකින්නේ. මේ ඉන්නේ මගේ පුතා රවින්දු. එයා මේ මොන්ටිසෝරියට එනකොට ඇත්තටම කිසිම දෙයක් දැනගෙන හිටියේ නැහැ. නිවැරදි ආකාරයෙන් ලියන විදිය හෝ නිවැරදි ආකාරයෙන් කතා කරන විදිය ඇත්ත වශයෙන්ම විශේෂයෙන්ම කියන්න ඕනේ මේ තමන්ගේ වැඩ කටයුතු තනියම කරගන්න තමන්ට පුළුවන් හැකියාවක් එහෙම තිබුණේ නැහැ. නමුත් මේ මොන්ටිසෝරියෙන් මේ හැම දෙයක්ම මගේ පුතාට කියලා දීලා තිබුණා. ඒ වගේම යාළුවන් අතරේ සමාජයේ නිවැරදි ආකාරයෙන් කොහොමද හැසිරෙන්නේ, ඒ වගේම චාරිත්‍ර වාරිත්‍ර සිරිත් විරිත් කියන දේවල් හොඳටම ඉගෙන ගත්ත තැනක් විදිහට තමයි මම නම් මේ මොන්ටිසෝරිය දකින්නේ. ඇත්තටම මේ දේවල් වලට මම මේ විශේෂයෙන්ම ස්තුති කරන්න ඕන මේ ළමයි වෙනුවෙන් කැප වෙලා වැඩ කරන මේ සියලුම ආන්ටිලාට. මම මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක නරඹන දෙමව්පියන්ගෙන් ඉල්ලීමක් කරන්න කැමතියි. තමන්ගේ දුවට පුතාට හොඳ අනාගතයක් දෙන්න හිතනවා නම්, හොඳ සිරිත් විරිත් උගන්වන්න හිතනවා නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමදෙනාම තෝරගන්න Little VIP Montessori. Thank you.
To all the children, after very unsatisfactory experiences with the earlier Montessoris, I was very careful in choosing a Montessori for Manaka. Then my cousin who teaches at the Montessori Training Center at St. Bridget's first recommended this VIP Montessori to me. But even then I went about looking, I wanted to see what other Montessoris had to offer my son. Then finally when I came here I found a big difference. I think the best thing I could say is what my son said, my elder son. He said when Manaka came home and last year recited all the months of the year in Sinhala, and my elder children were actually surprised, and I asked, Amma, why didn't you send me to this Montessori earlier? And I think that says it all about this school. I'm very happy the way he has grown. Manaka has grown with love. I'm very happy with the love the aunties have shown him, the care, the concern. I mean, he always, I know for sure that he always feels at home in the Montessori as well. And I want to specially mention Auntie Zanita, Auntie Manusha, and his teachers, Auntie Ashika and Auntie Nilushika. I want to thank them all for bringing my son up to expectations, more than my expectations actually. And I'm very sad that he has to leave this year, but then I'm sure that he will always remember this Montessori with happy memories in years to come.